Today is Saturday, January 15th, about 11:40 a.m. in the morning. It's negative 6 degrees Celsius, pretty cold. So about like 2 months ago, I finished fixing this frame, door frame. I painted like 3 times. Seems like it's okay now. Now I need to fix this. I need to paint this door again. I need to paint this door. So this side, it seems okay. I don't see anything. I never made a video. I took a picture of this thing, but it seems like it's okay now. It's not perfect. I did the best I could. The weather was getting cold, so I have to finish it around like November. Yeah, my gimbal keep moving. But that's it.